Yeah, man. Spread the love now. Sure. Whoa! Yeah. Spread the love. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. No travel with no guns today, 'cause we don't want no gunplay. Too many innocent dying. Too many mothers are crying. No travel with no guns today, 'cause we don't want no gunplay. Too many innocent dying. Too many mothers are crying, yeah. Take a look around and you will see it. The people are afraid to walk the streets. The youths can't find no food to eat. They will do anything to make ends meet. Them say them lock the town and not them lock the city. Them claim say them cold and them don't got no pity. Things with a rebel, the place I get sticky. Oh, what a pity. No travel with no guns today, 'cause we don't want no gunplay. Too many innocent dying. Too many mothers are crying. No travel with no guns today, 'cause we don't want no gunplay. Too many innocent dying. Too many mothers are crying, yeah. The gun thing is turning the place in a mess. The man from east can go over west. And so many people in a fear and stress. When you tell them unite, them say you disrespect. Tivoli Rima and down a jungle. Put down the machine, it better you humble. Waterhouse and Spanish Town, it better you put them down. All of the youth, them over Matches Lane. We don't wanna see no more, feel no pain. Remember our blood run through we vein. We're all the same, no travel with no guns today, 'cause we know what no gunplay. Too many innocent dying, and too many mothers are crying. No travel with no guns today, 'cause we know what no gunplay. Too many innocent
free for you and me. Oh yeah, Jah. What is the price of Jah love? Even though I'm under pressure, never leaves me in the gutter. Price of Jah love. No, it never ever leaves me under. The price of Jah love. Even though I'm under pressure, never leaves me in the gutter. Price of Jah love. No, it never ever leaves me under. Jah love is priceless. With Jah love in my life, I'm useless. And the word that I speak will be spiceless. The wicked will try to do, but no, they can't get through. So I never ever turn my back on the poor. Just even though I love me more and more. Oh, my bread basket will be filled and running over. Oh, wicked man, you run for cover. So the price of Jah love. Even though I'm under pressure, never leaves me in the gutter. Price of Jah love. No, it never ever leaves me under. The price of Jah love. Even though I'm under pressure, never leaves me in the gutter. Price of Jah love. No, it never ever leaves me under. Jah always guide I, always protect I, always a guide I. Whoa, yeah, always protect I, always a guide I. His words are truth and his ways are kind. Always provide I, wicked can't ride I, always beside I. Whoa, yes, Jah love is within I, he may glorify. His words is just and right. The price of Jah love. Even though I'm under pressure, never leaves me in the gutter. Price of Jah love. No, it never ever leaves me under. The price of Jah love. Even though I'm under pressure, never leaves me in the gutter. Price of Jah love.
fast if you break. Me see many minds ahead, watch the choice that you make. The talents mountain shall move my feet. Always see you when you're caught. Such a never late. Always see you when they run quick or correct your mistake. Live a clean life and Jah will partake. And when you're rising on the morning, he hail them as you wake. Him add the light to your path, guide you when you walk. River get rough, help you figure cross. Can't find your way, help you when you lost.
Light from Jah,
leading on your thoughts.
By mercy, iniquity it's pure. And by the fear of Jah, man depart from evil.
L-E-O-C.
When a man waits, please at the most high. He enemies to be at peace with him.
You don't need a reason.
Reptiles are liquid with righteousness. That great revenue without right.
Any old season, any old time.
A man's dark, divide his way.
I don't need a reason.
But Jah, direct his steps.
Jah is on my
Sword hands, joining hands. Thou shalt not be unpunished.
Show to yourself that I is show to you. Feel a man house, be like it's on you. Deal with that smiling, no make sense, it's true. Things you don't know will decide for later. There is more to life and it is not all. Rise with the sun, bless the rain when it fall. Young and I'm strong, so I'm safe to call. Moving on to Zion, now come and go stall. Rise me and rise, them a home for your fall. In a fast lane and a stall, them a stall. Me house full of love and a Jah name me call.
any old season, any old time. You don't need a reason. Love Jah every time. Say na 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 na. Yeah. Been line of fights, more people are so far. Every day you see I get to you go down Bogota. Nada son lion, nada madam up in murder. Some of them dead, imagine some way you not heard of. What they want us to do in this your world, yeah. You can't even find for much less water. Lies, they don't care for you one day. They wanna hurt you one day. No elevation in no lives, but you got to pray to Jah day and night. 10 years past, mama no done made it yet. Papa working off his ass and still owes debt. Until Johnny's experience with his certificate. Police on judge and jury, so the whole of we afraid. Full time get to use them stop and take a check. Girl can take a life, but it cannot blow bread. Lies, they don't care for you one day. They wanna hurt you one day. No elevation in no lives, but you got to pray to Jah day and night. It seems as if we're just correct as a Babylon's case. Used and abused to strengthen the riches and fame. So many promises unfulfilled, but we ain't no fool. We've been to school, yeah. Though they tryna get you down, don't let the system push you around. Keep smiling when they want you to frown. Keep your feet on solid ground. Lies, they don't care for you one day. They wanna hurt you one day. No elevation in no lives, but you gotta pray to Jah day and night.
Yeah, we all need peace and love, unity inside all our lives, you know. Jelly says so.
I've seen the light of better days are here, but no one ever really seemed to care. They're changing the world to a battling ground. Shh, hit the deck when you hear that sound. I beg, please, yeah. Stop the violence now. Let's change it to hope and forget about doubt. I beg, please, yeah. Put the guns away. We all wanna live to see another day. Thank you, Father, for my everyday. You're the truth, the light, and the way.
watching over me. In this world of your death, I see, I beg, please, yeah. Stop the violence now. Let's change it to hope for the better somehow. I beg, please, yeah. All the violence should cease. Now how we gonna live if there is no peace? Rearrange, let's change for the heart and let goodness reign. No pain, beg please, yeah. Stop the violence now. Let's change it to hope for the better somehow. I beg please, yeah. All the violence should cease. Now how we gonna live if there is no peace? I've seen the light of better days out here, but no one never really seemed to care.
In this troubled time, don't be left behind, 'cause we're running out of time, yeah. Know yourself, mankind. In this troubled time, don't be left behind. This is a warning. Tell them say I and I never will I fall, and through this tribulation me still a stand tall. All me a talk till enough of them not here. Left the front line run down, go mix up in a real. But here is only one way out of the fuss. For no read your Bible, chant a psalm, live righteous. Babylon can't conquer us. Them gun go rust. We be choose a must. Know yourself, mankind. In this troubled time, don't be left behind, 'cause we're running out of time, yeah. Know yourself, mankind. In this troubled time, don't be left behind. This is a warning. Tell me, why do we have to fuss and fight when all we need is love? If we come together and unite, the only way we rise above. Yo, don't sell your soul for just a few pence. They only want to step on your heads to reach the top. What is the sense in all this violence? Get to you, can't you see they only want you to drop now? Know yourself, mankind. In this troubled time, don't be left behind, 'cause we're running out of time, yeah. Know yourself, mankind. In this troubled time, don't be left behind. This is a warning. Yo, remember we are living in the last days. Judgment days. So we have to stand up for righteousness.
Your time will come if you send in your bones to take another life. Your time will come if you pick up the gun. If you're picking up the knife, your time will come. If you send in your bones, Jah is on my side. So many friends we've lost and can't find a reason why. We ask ourselves time and time, why did they have to die? So many of they grieve, the grieving never ends. But tomorrow belongs to the Almighty One. So listen to me, my friend. Your time will come if you pick up the gun. If you're picking up the knife, your time will come. If you're sending your bones to take another life, your time will come if you pick up the gun. If you're picking up the knife, your time will come. If you're sending your bones, Jah is on my side. How many lives will it take for us to realize that another one comes, another one dies? We gotta take a chance now. There's another way, 'cause tomorrow belongs to the Almighty One. Listen to me, my friend. Your time will come if you pick up the gun. If you're picking up the knife, your time will come. If you're sending your bones to take another life, your time will come. If you pick up the gun. If you're picking up the knife, your time will come. If you're sending your bones
clear movements. Whoa, oh. Hey, social, yeah. Them want see me body in the man. But you a worry about? No, nobody worry about them. Whoa. Them no want get me talk. No, them no want see me walk. No, no, no. Them no want see me die. Yeah, but the last of the dark. But who is to be blamed when you get betrayed by your friend? No, you don't blame yourself. No, no, no. Cause no love no inna them. Whoa, yeah. Provide to me so nothing me no shatter. Don't licky away you a go them yard for. I look off at them give you dirty water. Think I feel never that family and mix smarter. My needs, Jah will provide my needs. I mean I worry about evil people when I worry about me. Hey, Jah will provide my needs. Hey, Jah will provide my needs. I mean I worry about evil people when I worry about me. No, no, no. Them never see the good way you do, and if you can't give them persecute you. Be careful of the wolf in a mask, cause them we hide and try to shoot you. Remember, Jah watch everything where you do, yeah. Try watch anywhere you put your foot, cause Jah not sleep, I me know him a look. Them me try start your life, them a wicked, them a crook, but Jah will provide my needs. Jah will provide my needs. I mean I worry about evil people when I worry about me. Hey, Jah will provide my needs. Hey, Jah will provide my needs. I mean I worry about evil people when I worry about me. Sometime coffee, sometime tea. This week I you, next week I me. So when me get mine, nobody but my knee. Cause I'm just trying to live my dream. Wow, happy told me daughter say bring ice cream. Hard pure and two hands clean. Never kill nobody if you build up my thing. Big up the young clear team. Me I say, yeah. Jah will provide my needs. Jah will provide my needs. I mean I worry about evil people when I worry about me. Hey, Jah will provide my needs. Hey, Jah will provide my needs. I mean I worry about evil people when I worry about me. Clear. You say out clear movements. Whoa, oh. Hey, social, yeah. Them want see me body in the man. But you a worry about? No, nobody worry about them. Them no want get me talk. Mr. G, I'm me. Jah Vinci, play it. Hold on then. For the vote them tell me join line, but all them plan fi stop crime. Do you them pan the chalk line? We still a walk with the star nine. Mr. G, it's like me it take me more time, and we hungry pick me them crying. Them up this. Them a beg like say them blind. And them plan fi rich and I shine. Every day, man a talk say time hard. Me plan fi rich, me no plan fi buy card. Me want see the bring truck park on my yard. You never see me burning the bridges when I cross. You stop share your mind, build up style and try start. Me know you no like see the sight of white squad. Now see you a suffer and me smile and drive past. Anyway the money they me go for no skylark. Hold on then, for the vote them tell me join line, but all them plan fi stop crime. Do you them pan the chalk line? We still a walk with the star nine. It's like me it take me more time, and me hungry pick me them crying. Them up thing, you them a beg like say them blind. And them plan fi rich I die trying. If I no money they pan your mind, then it better you try clear your head. When them see the money bag, yeah me have to stuff it up like when the maga bomb dead. Them want me fi spend me last on, still can't go class like a them alone fi break bread. This is team made for the upper class, poor man a suffer hard. You alone can help me Lord. For the vote them tell me join line, but all them plan fi stop crime. Do you them pan the chalk line? We still a walk with the star nine. It's like me it take me more time, and me hungry pick me them crying. Them up king, you them a beg like say them blind. And them plan fi rich and I shine. Every day, man a talk say time hard. Me plan fi rich, me no plan fi buy card. Me want see the bring truck park on my yard. You never see me burning the bridges when I cross. You stop share your mind, build up style and try start. Me know you no like see the sight of white squad. Now see you a suffer and me smile and drive past. Anyway the money they me go for no skylark. Hold on then, for the vote them tell me join line, but all them plan fi stop crime. Do you them pan the chalk line? We still a walk with the star nine. It's like me it take me more time, and me hungry pick me them crying. Them up thing, you them a beg like say them blind. And them plan fi rich and I shine.
If I no money depend your mind, then it better you try clear your head. When them see the money bag, give me a fist stuff it up like when the maga bomb dead. Them want me fi spend me last on, still can't go class like a them alone fi break bread. This system make for the upper class poor man a suffer hard. You alone can help me lad.
Rebuke them, cause I be a wickedness and dilute them. Rastaman rebuke them, Jah make rebuke them, cause far too long them now do not know fit to use them. Rastaman rebuke them, Jah make rebuke them, cause I be a wickedness and dilute them. Rastaman rebuke them, Jah rebuke them, cause anytime now the warriors ready to go. Them want make the guns and bring in religion, and them create the war and start all this division. Little children know where you're going and where you're really from. Never let the wicked people detour you from your mission. Every man got a right to make his own decision, but one thing me know, Fyah no partial no man. King Selassie is the conquering lion. Me ready figure dash fire in a Babylon, and I rebuke them, Jah rebuke them, cause I be a wickedness and dilute them. Rastaman rebuke them, Jah make me rebuke them, cause far too long nothing them have done for the youth them. Rastaman rebuke them, Jah rebuke them, cause I be a wickedness and dilute them. Bingy man rebuke them, Bobo man rebuke them, cause anytime now the Rasta ready figure. How can you see the children and show no love? People side to a strive and all they do is show more grudge. Make you know for the works on earth you'll surely be judged. Babylon you're too ungrateful and your heart wise much. So I say watch it overall. He knows what been covetous and do a flex like Jinal. He knows what been unfaithful and do not give thanks at all. That's why the whole of Babylon me know it's going fall. Rebuke them, Jah rebuke them, cause I be a wickedness and dilute them. Rastaman rebuke them, Jah just rebuke them, cause too long they have nothing to do for the youths them. Rastaman rebuke them, Jah rebuke them, cause I be a wickedness and the system set how we have to help the youths them get lost. Deceitful and corrupted minds from way back in the past. And them who slave my mom and take my dad through Holocaust. Them wanna iniquity and get cut off, cause the conquering lion see I know. Guide and protect my every which where I go. Any weapons that form against I won't prosper no. Dirty Babylon on this Africa gets a blow. Rise up my nation, this are the black uprising. Stop from support, Babylon advertising. Got them no love for see the youth, them organizing. When me burn the fire, there's no compromising. David slew Goliath with a stone and one sling. Turn up the fire in a Buckingham on the Queen's skin, yo. Ethiopia, West Selassie, your origin, yo. See them living in Levysill, conquering lions, see I know. He guide and protect my every which where I go. But any weapons formed against I won't prosper no. Yeah, Emperor Selassie, I the youth are glow. Hey, take it over, take it over. Anything to make Babylon try to make it over. Take it over, Rasta, take it over. Them no got no powers, Rasta, for I rule the whole earth. Hey. Them can't build the hearts, neither the mind. Them only come destroy mankind. And them no got no love from the Savior divine, yeah. Them soul dirty like swine, but the conquering lion see I know. He guide and protect my every which where I go. Any weapons rise against I won't prosper no. Dirty Babylon just step on the wrong toe. The system set how we have to help the youths them get lost. Deceitful and corrupted minds from way back in the past. And them slave my mom and put my dad to Holocaust. Righteousness it after wrath. Them deceive the people and them not really smart. Try for this and I say to him small like a dwarf. This the Rasta man your head busting a dwarf, yo. Yo, 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 yo. Cause the conquering lion see I know. He guide and protect I everywhere I go. Any weapons rise against I won't prosper no. Find out say that the whole of them are stoop law. Righteousness in the air.
Very sad to think about, so sad to remember. No one should remind me of how they lost their December. Yesterday's gone on and on in a vision I picture. A song singing, listening to the voices in the wings. I hear them whisper, lonely, lonesome, rude boys. Farming in a gunman, you be you. Lonely, lonesome, rude boys. Farming with you, lonely, lonesome, rude boys. Where does the future lie? What you get over forgive is so hard to live, but easy to die. Oh, Johnny, never listen when Mama did say, you don't be white man, AK. Oh, you sorry, say you kill Sean down a bull bay. China sell a penitentiary, running a pump, oh, pump from those till down till time and a quad like Stam a bay farm. You never have money to pull the trigger. Oh, Johnny, make blood that run like dance river. Lonely, lonesome, rude boys. Buried in a gunman, will give you. Lonely, lonesome, rude boys. Buried with your lonely, lonesome, rude boys. Where does the future lie? What the garrison I give is so hard to live, but easy to die. If I,
there's a night I could not sleep, no. Shots rang out on repeat. Common sense. Park Lane, 100 Lane, Whitehall, Big Yard, Cassava Piece, Aki Walk, Jackstown, Mountain View, Rockford, CLM Backbush, Mobile, Spanish Town. Me from a place which part them bust a rifle with the scope at top. And they do open me like a coconut. And if you carry them on your wall, them favor polka dot. Me from a city where a bake is a coca drop. And politicians every day them import a shop. And them not care about the issues where the voters got. I be a mischief and billions in a quota now. Me from a place where love is sweet and give you heart attack. Them big rose gold up your fat. Young gangsta neck with money taller than Oprah stock. Yes, from a place where them say melt when the popa chat. And high grade trees are blow. In my city, called Kingston City. Yes, in my city, called Kingston City. In that city, called Kingston City. Yes, say in that city. Street. Take away yourself and most the things a cup of sweet. Everything you have in your honey drop of it. The juvie I read up like him have a lock of sleep or black of do it. Hey, him the on the block of creep. Him boss it, him not care if mama or papa seat. Same water pot a pocket and some proper beats. Plus some ammunition where you think them shot your cheap. No food no run so every little slap I eat. Head back and the little red dot a meat. From back a jeep soldier a park shot a beat. People are run swiftly like them are acolytes. Hey, hey. Right I know youths upon a vibes. Hot-head the situation I analyze. Plus them youths are glamorize. Mama cries. Don't think it's peace and safety in that city called Kingston City. Yes, in my city, that's Kingston City. Yeah, in my city called Kingston City. Yeah. Oh, in my city. So if they ask me why I smile so many times, I love my city. That's Kingston City. Through my journey, through my city, I still stand strong. They fight trying to get me out, but through my city.
As I remember all the warriors we pass on, I say R.I.P. I know it hurt inside, still we have to move on. I'm in those broken pieces. As the earth drives slowly to the burial spot, another life gone and it can't come back. When death call your name, can't tell him if he call again. Life never promises a bed of roses, so I live my life the best way I know. Go on a vibes, chill with my virgin, what the future holds. Nobody's sure today. Today, never promise tomorrow. So I live my life today. Today, never promise tomorrow. So I live my life today. Today is my day, me say hip hip hooray. Oh, what a joy to sight the sun ray, to see the kids, them smile in the park as they play. Any obstacle I move it out of my way, cause I wanna kick football like Messi, boss a pile, boss a salad. Head I wanna chase it, cause life's so hard, but still me not go stress it. Cause one thing I know for sure, me tell you, life never promises a bed of roses. So I live my life the best way I know. Go on a vibes, chill with my virgin, what the future holds. Nobody know today, never promise tomorrow. So I live my life today. Today, never promise tomorrow. So I live my life today. They must stress about what this world have to offer. Understand for some things, so everything they fall for. Riches and fame is all them seeking after. But I wanna say I love and laughter. I feel like cook a pot with dumpling and knock it with some cool lemonade. With the rhyme, you have to wash it, cause I don't have to reach to be happy. Cause one thing I know for sure, me tell you, life never promises a bed of roses. So I live my life the best way I know. Go on a vibes and chill with my virgin, what the future holds. Nobody sure today, never promise tomorrow. So I live my life today. Today, never promise tomorrow. So I live my life today. Never promise tomorrow. So I live my life today. Today, never promise tomorrow. So I live my life today. Oh yeah.
Every day them a watch and plot to rob what you work hard to gain. Just to buy up some name brands, sporting them freaks in them sport bands. How much them have the whole city lock, seal off all streets and main. When them can't read a road sign, some can't even spell them name. Not even mercy for the struggling baby mother when them kill a man without a cause. Them kill a mother one son, then I say a wrong man, what an anguish that mistake ya cause. And then traumatize the little youth when him see him grandma life erased. You a spray wild bullet while she sitting in her house. You a play war games and all the pain is caused by a few with the power self-proclaimed. And all remains is the blood of the innocent. Why? Some hypocrites behind their badge no fit chat, cause they're no different, they're the same. Cause when we want their protection, they betray with just with corruption. Planting a gun, and the innocent youth them just shoot. All because him a chat to them all. He was defending the truth. I kick off the taxpayer door with the boot where the taxpayer buy. Then I drive round town in a AC. I collect blood money and bribes. But how much longer they think this will proceed? When right now this generation mad, they are a different breed. And all the pain is caused by a few with the power self-proclaimed. And all remains is the blood of the innocent. Why? More life, more life, more life, more life. Mama cry, more life, more life.
Okay, alright then again. Hey, I got a bird, can't cook, can't quench. Hey, this summer night I got change them young. I get a break, can't cook, can't quench. Fireworks, red. Life is a lesson if you live it out. Highly Selassie, the Rasta man ain't giving up. Really man, you will the seven if you big him up. We burn Babylon, them too damn corrupt, yo. Life is a lesson if you learn. Highly Selassie, the Rasta man concern, yo. Open your ears and better learn. Okay, alright. Listen again. Self-discipline, manners give you a good reputation. Strive for better Menton, build your foundation. On solid ground nights and sinking sun, positive thought. Clear meditation. Lioness. Life a journey with a good vibration. Free heart, free mind, and free soul. Faithfulness, Rastafari in a full control. Life is a lesson if you live it out. Highly Selassie and the Rasta man ain't giving up. Really man, you will the seven if you big him up. We burn Babylon, them too damn corrupt, yo. Life is a lesson if you learn. Highly Selassie and the Rasta man concern, yo. Open your ears and better learn. Okay, alright then again. Be not disobedient to the Most High commandment. Jerusalem schoolroom, come get your teachings. Man of right, he's got the flesh. Man of right, he's got it in flesh. Who no better go and believe me. 7 priests, panja, golden altar. Clean and tell a pure in heart, and thou shall be entered. Yo, I a student, Rastafari, I am the headmaster. Okay. Life is a lesson if you live it out. Highly Selassie and the Rasta man ain't giving up.
No time.
Man, you will the seven if you big him up.
Yeah, man,
man if you big him up. Man if you
You hear that? Ain't no dream jam. Reaching out to the heart. Those who need blessings. Jah deliver us from all evil. Jah comfort my soul. Telling them. Jah cause your light to shine up on us all. You hear that? So humble and so meek, Rastafari, hear us when we call. To the word. Jah cause your light to shine up on us all. Now do remember. So humble and so meek, Rastafari, hear us when we call. What I know, I listen, I see, never disobey your commandment. The one not be lost, one not be torment. Touch me by the hem of my garment. One bit is twice shy, and that's the warning. The essence of this, telling us from morning. Long in a Babylon, tell them a be sabotaging. If the kid done stubborn, yo, there's no changing. Rest to keep the fire blazing. Jah cause your light to shine up on us all. So humble and so meek, Rastafari, hear us when we call. Alright then. Jah cause your light to shine up on us all. Now listen me. So humble and so meek, Rastafari, hear us when we call. You know again, it's not where you
from is where you at. Babylon a plan and them a plot. Represent it no matter if you white or you black. Need consciousness and we need it non-stop. Hey, Fyah me so keep it like that. Well, royalness, no fluff in stock. Reach into the mind and reach into the mass. Go and bun man and go and bun brass. Them think Fyah me slim frost. Alright then.
Jah, cause you like to shine up on us all.
Selassie's got the remedy. So humble and so meek, Rastafari, hear us when we call.
Jah, cause you like to shine up on us all.
Do you hear that? So humble and so meek, Rastafari, hear us when we call. Alright. I Selassie, I never disobey your commandment. You wanna be lost and be down. Touch me by the hem of my garment. Once bitten, twice shy. That's the warning. The ancients of days be telling us from morning. Look in a Babylon, you know what be a sabotage. Stiff naked and stubborn, yo them not changing. For I keep the fire blazing.
Jah, cause you like to shine up on us all.
And it's day by day. So humble and so meek, Rastafari, hear us when we call. Alright then.
Jah, cause you like to shine up on us all.
Another deal, street block, father cool. You know a hilltop. Me say you watch out the bad man people. Them not like you at all. We are striving a like fuck. Them a wait to fall. Them know why you drive a nice vehicle. Them a pray for your style. Them fuck my dirty heart and evil. That's all. Who them a pray? True them can't go run with them a watch me like a TV. And true jealousy. Them a trying to drain me energy. Some people start a dancing. Who them a watch? People business them a chat, but me never care about that. I reach me a study and a mansion on the hilltop, and you don't know say me head hot. When you're moving forward, look out for setback. Be a penny set you up, bust out your head back. Save every dime and don't waste time. Any time you waste, you not go get back. Something in them blood, but I don't see a line. We and some people is not the same kind. We not the same mind. And if we start calling and then the list go longer than a train line. But listen this, if you watch out the bad man people, them not like you at all. We are striving a life up. Them a wait to a fall. Them know why you drive a nice vehicle. Them a pray for your style. Them fuck my dirty heart and evil. That's all. Bad mind people, yes, them love to pretend. Bad mind people love to act as your friend. Bad mind when them see your money you spend. Right, this me don't need a pen. Them want see you good in a hole or locked in the pen. So from Cockburn pen to Grand Pen, from top pen, Marcook pen to Tice pen. Why some stay so you can't comprehend? Never want to get a youth as a trend. Set them on your friend and them want your life end. Want set you up so them want you get quanked. To clean out, I respect my extend. No matter the cost, we rise them up them cars. Me say you watch out the bad man people. Them not like you at all. We are striving a life up. Them a wait to a fall. Them know why you drive a nice vehicle. Them a pray for your style. Them fuck my dirty heart and evil. That's all. Me say you watch out the bad man people. Them not like you at all. We are striving a life up. Them a wait to a fall. Them know why you drive a nice vehicle. Them a pray for your style. Them fuck my dirty heart and evil. That's all.
Protect us, O Jah, in our going out and in our coming in, so we may trample Babylon. You see, when will we say no more and draw the line in the sand? For the years abused and abused living here in Babylon, we have to free ourselves from the shackles of greedy men. The legacy they leave on this land is war and separation. Take a stand, it's time to speak up. Human rights is getting beat up. Don't be a victim, step up and be tough. We're sick and tired and enough is enough. Take a stand, it's time to speak up. Human rights is getting beat up. Don't be a victim, step up and be tough. We're sick and tired. The tide of change is coming. We organizing, centralizing against this crooked system. Mr. Briefcase and suit and tie, I know you enjoy this ride. But your days of robbing high, it soon shall end in a while. I refuse to lay down and die. Your power is in I and I. Let's take the streets, look them in the eye, tell them a piece of we mine. Take a stand, it's time to speak up. Human rights is getting beat up. Don't be a victim, step up and be tough. We're sick and tired and enough is enough. Take a stand, it's time to speak up. Human rights is getting beat up. Don't be a victim, step up and be tough. We're sick and tired and enough is enough. Oh, Almighty Father, is this a really bad dream? Cause the pain and suffering I see, it's hard to conceive. Jah give us the strength to unite and fight this monstrosity. We are your children, oh Jah, awaiting your mercy. Take a stand, it's time to speak up. Human rights is getting beat up. Don't be a victim, step up and be tough. We're sick and tired and enough is enough. Take a stand, it's time to speak up. Human rights is getting beat up. Don't be a victim, step up and be tough. We're sick and tired and enough is enough. When will we say no more and draw the line in the sand? For the years of use and abuse.
That's why me think when I'm here, steady Lord me see another day. Street block, father cool. You know a hilltop. Me say you watch out the bad man people. Them not like you at all. We are striving a life for. Them a wait to a fall. Them know how you drive a nice vehicle. Them a pray for your style. Them fuck my dirty heart and evil. That's all. Who them a pray? True them can't go run with them a watch me like a TV. And true jealousy. Them a try to drain me energy. Some people start a dancing. Who them a watch? People business them a chat, but me never care about that. I reach me a study and a mansion on the hilltop, and you don't know say me head hot. When you moving forward, look out for setback. Be a penny city up, bust out your head back. Save every diamond, don't waste time. Any time you waste, you not go get back. Something in them blood, but I don't see a line. We and some people is not the same kind. We not the same mind. And if we start calling, and then the list go longer than a train line. But listen, this is you watch out the bad man people. Them not like you at all. We are striving a life up. Them a wait to a fall. Them know how you drive a nice vehicle. Them a pray for your style. Them fuck my dirty heart and evil. That's all. Bad mind people, yes, them love to pretend. Bad mind people love to act as your friend. Bad mind when them see your money you spend. Right, this me don't need a pen. Them want to see you good down in a hole or locked in the pen. So from Cockburn pen to Grand Pen, top pen, Marcook's pen to Ty's pen. Why some stay so you can't comprehend? Never want to get a youth as a trend. Set them on your friend and them want your life end. Want set you up so them want you get quenched. Want clean out, I respect my extend. No matter the cost you rise them up them cars. Me say you watch out the bad man people. Them not like you at all. We are striving a life up. Them a wait to a fall. Them know how you drive a nice vehicle. Them a pray for your style. Them fuck my dirty heart and evil. That's all.
Determined, can't broke me vibes like glass, them. Can't broke me vibes like glass, yeah. Can me forever be in the streets, give me the remedy if you make. Mad mind no cast my partner. Some boy no cast my part. They gonna pre me life cause some boy no want see no youth survive. Them woulda bring every spoon to scoop your rice. Tell me how them expect youth for rise. Rise, aye, 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 they want rise up. Aye, 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 aye. Oh my life, rise, aye, 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 go on, rise up. Aye, 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 aye. See a man you call friend. can be the same man feed dash away. How people fi trust if you not trust yourself. The same stone where you throw good above your head. Son a step for me can if you love yourself. Cause get to you want money and no nothing else. Me know back of the chicken, but I'm up next. Hire me a go who fi see me pan the cutting edge. Cause every get a yo trip. Rise, aye, 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 aye. Me want rise up. Aye, 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 aye. Oh my life rise, aye, 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 aye. Oh rise up. Aye, 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 aye. Them want see me flap like a bird wing, but true man determine them. Can't broke me vibes like glass, them. Can't broke me vibes like glass, yeah. Come me forever be in the streets, give me the remedy if you make. Bad mind no cross my partner. Some boy no cross my path. He gonna pre me life cause some boy no want see no youth survive. Them woulda bring every spoon to scoop your rice. Tell me how them expect youth for rise. Rise, aye, 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 aye. Me want rise up. Aye, 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 aye. Oh my life rise, aye, 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 aye. Oh rise up. Aye, 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 aye. We get a huge rise, aye, 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 aye.
Me just a gorgeous in the most high. Me not give up on life. Me not give up on life. Me say me not give up on life. No care how life get rough. Me not give up on life. Me not give up on life. Say me not give up on life. Me not got one crop. No care life rough. Me not say life and fear Jah. Now go give me more than what me can bear. And from there is life, there is hope. Me not egg myself with no rope. To this I swear. So me a go and hold the faith in the slum. Now give up, cause better days must come. Although poverty a beat me like I get the drum. All these obstacles me must overcome. So me not give up on life. Me not give up on life. Me say me not give up on life. No care how life get rough. Me not give up on life. Me not give up on life. Say me not give up on life. Me not got one crow. Jah is there for me no matter the situation. So if I kill myself it's not a solution. Me rather pray and full of meditation. For him to show me the way out of frustration. Cause I know my life is a journey. And I know I got to stand firmly. At times stumbling blocking up my way, yes, to hurt me. But despite that, me no want to keep the bucket early. So, me not give up on life. Me not give up on life. Me say me not give up on life. No care how life get rough. Me not give up on life. Me not give up on life. Say me not give up on life. Me not got one crow. Them some man was meant to suffer this and can't deny. Poverty and beat me feel like for crime. Me still a fight the fight and praise to the most high. Cause with him all things possible. Man a lie. He drove at times still me a question the father why. Him see how me a struggle but still we get me back. And if me bought me to one job me still a hold me head up high. Me don't know about you but me not stop try so. Me not give up on life. Me not give up on life. Me say me not give up on life. No care how life get rough. Me not give up on life. Me not give up on life. Say me not give up on life. Me not got one crow. No, double team.
Or could I say that everything I run smooth when poor people still can't afford food? Or could I walk joyfully through them town when every day another youth get gunned down? Or could I ever say that things are run right when the youths them just now hold no vibes on now? Or could I ever say the children them safe when a peer shot a bus in other place? And through that passage of time, Jah delivered us. And when them interest rate climb, Jah delivered us. Oh yes he did. When man a whole border line, Jah delivered us. When Canterbury come down on the siege and them town was infested with soldiers and police. Or could I say that everything around smooth and poor people still can't afford food? How could I walk joyfully through them town when every day another youth get gunned down? Or could I ever say solution right now in this time. Cause basic commodity for the poor is getting harder to find. But trade right now get hoes. Over struggle taking over. The man would rather to give you a bullet from his gun than to extend a thought to his brother. Could I say that everything I run smooth and poor people still can't afford food? Or could I walk joyfully through them town when every day another you get gunned down? Or could I ever say that things are run right when the youths them just now hold no vibes, don't know? Or could I ever say the children them safe when a peer shot and bounce in other place? Marcus the prophet speak up in the word.
Peace be unto you. Another Christian, another Rasta, another Muslim buck in the streets. Where them a fight for over religion. When I one God for all of we. So we say Christian, respect the Rasta. Show the Muslim love in the street. One I say Jah, the other I say Allah. But I one shepherd lead the sheep. And all we need is understanding. And we all could live together. You will find it's not ending. If only you let love lead the way. So when a Christian and a Rasta and a Buddhist buck in the streets, where them a fight for over religion, when I want God for all of we. So me say Christian, respect the Rasta. Show the Buddhist love when you meet. To him say Buddha, the Rasima say Jaja. But I want shepherd lead the sheep.
Yes, I see them with their self-imposed divisions, falling prey to the diabolic device of the system. And as I see them fighting over religion, I know that they don't realize that they are perennial victims of this wicked and brutal system.
So when I Hindu, Boko Zionist, I just wonder when you meet. No make no sense fight over religion. When I want God for all of we. So me say Hindu, respect the Zionist. Show him love every time you meet. Show you say Krishna, and him a say Jehovah. Still I want shepherd lead the sheep. You and I may not see eye to eye. That doesn't mean an eye for an eye. Your mosque and your temples shouldn't be schools for hate. While we walk through Zion Gate, don't think your faith is greater than mine. We are all the children of one vine. So when a Christian, Oka Rasta, and a Muslim buck in the street, where them a fight for over religion, when a one God for all of we. So we say Christian,
my people. Yes, I say good over evil. Yeah. People hungry and the picnic them ball. No respect, no respect, no respect at all. Out I'm spitting fireball. Who are you to treat me so without any respect? Better stop and remember what you give is what you get. You have always been taking, nothing giving yet. Still I'm moving forward, can't stop me without drops head. Can't believe to see you'd have nothing to eat. No matter false hope and dream. Mr. Big Boss belly full, who lead up this your scheme? Half you face yourself one day cause you is wicked and mean. No respect, no respect, no respect at all. See my people hungry and the picnic them ball. No respect, no respect, no respect at all. Out time, out and spitting fireball. No respect, no respect, no respect at all. See my people hungry and the picnic them ball. No respect, no respect, no respect at all. Out time, out and spitting fireball. Who has got the right to decide whether I'm wrong or right. To stop not to dread at night might classify. You say you've got permission, police start the firelight. Firefight, fire ignition. But any of your argument from any angle and position, who will choose one, it's your own decision. Blood pressure rise lightning and thunderclap. If you don't treat my people nice, you will get heart attack. No respect, no respect, no respect at all. See my people hungry and the picnic them ball. No respect, no respect, no respect at all. Out time, out I'm spitting fireball. No respect, no respect.
Come strike them down, come strike them down.
It's Ras Mohammed.
We not have no bad mind, friend. Cause a bad mind I move and I work with tens. See the Rasta man I trick them, need a talk with them. Yo, we not walk with them. Cause a bad mind only want to see you fall. I see no one no bad mind, friend. Cause a bad mind I move and I work with tens. See the Rasta man I trick them, need a talk with them. Yeah, we not walk with them. Cause a bad mind only want to see you fall. You have your dream and you have your aspirations. You have your goal and you have your inspiration. You have someone to look up as admiration. Now let the bad man come and spoil your meditation. When your spirit low and your pocket running empty, see your real friends will help you whenever you are in need. Words of the comforter, they come to comfort ya. We see the bad man is a proud backstabber. Snake on the grass, we come to burn you down. Mean and dirty heart, we come to burn you down. Bad mind and bad thought, yeah we come to burn you down. Yeah we come to take you out. Yeah we come to burn you down. Not a minute nor a second nor later. Burn them out like an old wrinkled paper. See the bad mind them is a pure money raper. Righteous works them was underrated. We not have no bad mind, friend. Cause a bad mind I move and I work with tens. See the Rasta man I trick them, need a talk with them. Yo we not walk with them. Cause a bad mind only want to see you fall. I see no one no bad mind, friend. Cause a bad mind I move and I work with tens. See the Rasta man I trick them, need a talk with them. Yeah we not walk with them. Cause a bad mind only want to see you fall. Real friends around I call them Sahabat. Enemies around, call them Sahabat. I Jin and Sistrin, I call them musical firebirds. And Ras Muhammad dari Indonesia menyatakan berfikiran buruk itu tujuan Babylon. Pandangan sempit dan hati busuk dimusnahkan, harus disingkirkan. Rastaman, ayaman, mulia dengan ayanai mission. Hati yang sirik hanya ingin melihat kegagalan. Bermuka dua dan menikam dari belakang, melemparkan senyum lebar saat di depan. Call them out, who the can't fit, I may say call them out. Who the can't fit, I may say call them out. Bad mind you can't fit me, say who the can't fit me, put you in the casket. We not have no bad mind, friend. Cause a bad mind I move and I work with tens. See the Rasta man I trick them, need a talk with them. Yo we not walk with them. Cause a bad mind only want to see you fall.
Rebellious mind, fist slow vampire, slow wicked heart. Babylon me do what me feel like do, and me say what me feel like say. Cause the people them don't like who know. Hear them attack it from the other day. Say them done with the politics, fitted them life that are the chicks. Whether you are Mr. or Mrs. Rastaman, burn out them injustice.
Yeah, make me tell you about Nanny and Bogle. Rebellious warriors me told you. So don't come your black people. Righteousness me come to show you. Listen platinum I thunder. Righteousness me a go charge for. So much innocent get slaughtered. Me no know how I'm to Jamaica.
Babylon me take the plans them out of your head. Can me see too much innocent youth a go dead. You buy your house over broad. Me know you a go fled. Then left police fi come shoot off with it. Me tell the youths them come together. We conquer them if we live like brother. We no further than them when we check the measure. Them brain them a use and think them clever. But
make me tell you about Nanny and Bogle. Rebellious warriors me told you. So don't come your black people. Righteousness me come to show you. Listen platinum I thunder. Righteousness we a go charge for. So much innocent get slaughtered. Me no know how I'm to Jamaica.
Babylon me do what me feel like do, and me say what me feel feel like say. Cause the people them don't like who know. Hear them attack it from the other day. Say them done with the politics. Fit them life that all the chicks.
Blind and lead blind. While some bowing to the base and claim say Jah blessing on the least. Every single step, every breath me take. When we make a move, Jah me no left. Jah give me faith. I don't wanna waste time. Yeah, this struggle is hard, but I know I will shine. Get me like balance, full of firm stance. Every time them see we, all of them a glance. Jah give me faith. I don't wanna waste time. I wanna be a beacon, let them see me shine. Cause enough of them want see you feel. Rest in peace, or them want you go to jail. Yeah, them no want to see you seal. Or them alone fi make it and prevail. But a Jah alone to him alone we cry. So me no afraid that evil doers are the spy. Raise me hands to the sky. We not stop, no care where them try. Cause the ice caps are melt. Some fighting for wealth. War is in the air, them arming bombs and flying stealth. The people crying peace, want better food and better health. But it's down to who can really help themselves. Why these times so perilous? We need a little love inside of us. Ooh, time for changes. Cause every single step, every breath we take, when we make a move, Jah me no left, Jah give me faith. I don't wanna waste time, yeah, this struggle is hard, but I know I will shine. Get me like balance, full of firm stance. Every time them see we, all of them a glance. Jah give me faith, I don't wanna waste time. I wanna be a beacon, let them see me shine. When the storm comes, I will fly. When there's no sun in the sky. When the morning dawn is as grey as the evening dusk. You better be one of us. Plan your future clever, never say never. Make careful decision, don't mind your endeavor.
Politician them, you know? Last year, politician them a trick the youth them. Why nice man at the business and don't know me wise up? I'm a politician, you know? Last year rule and real, Rastafari. After fire, burn them out. Politician a go dead off, and they get to you them a go laugh. Keng. Politician a go dead off, and they get to you them a go laugh. Keng. Me see it in front me eye. Wonder to myself for the politician them a try. And when me praise Emperor Selassie I don't know the them different from this fire, but don't know the them different from the guy. Matters first, matters less. Just tell them say back need a blind politician a go dead off, and they get to you them a go laugh. Keng. Politician a go dead off, and they get to you them a go laugh. Keng. All the girl machine go run between some and a Soviet and shotgun. Me hear say about $9 million run, and I know Soviet bad man no get none. I know nitty-gritty bad man no get none. I know Vietnam bad man no get none. The whole of the money spent by them on a shotgun. Them take it by bombs, use it by gun. And I run a Soviet with some punk profit on. So make what? One side on the ground, we sit down with this drum real guy. I'm a quad with this big magnum. Politician I go dead off, and they get to you them I go love. Keng. Sing politician I go dead off, and they get to you them I go love. Keng. Me see it in front me eye. Wonder to myself for the politician them I try. And when me praise Emperor Selassie I, and when me praise Emperor Selassie I, come I don't know they then different from the spy. Bun Willie Lynch I coulda wada them I try. Bun Willie Lynch I coulda wada them I try. I coulda wada them I try. Politician I go dead off, and they get to you them I go love. Keng. Sing politician I go dead off, and they get to you them I go love. Keng. All the girl shake go run between some and a Soviet and shotgun.
We both see ourselves as one. Hail King Selassie, the conquering lion. As we know ourselves, and that's the way Jah wanted things to go. We both see ourselves as one. Hail the emperor, the only conquering lion. They don't want to see our nation rise in a this system.
Rastaman said them pagan system. Bingy abono them Vatican system. Don't you know it's a evil lost system? Yeah, burning your system. Rastaman said the pagan system. Don't it up the Vatican system. They only want us to be a victim. So, we're living in a world that is so confused, where the poorer class of people get used and refused. No love for me, I say no love for you. Oh, wicked man for all the things that you do. I see the retribution coming at you. Your stars won't shine, your skies won't blue. And all that you have said, I see you never pursue. All that you have do, you see the youths have come true. Babylon a screw, in a this your system. Go tell them this is just a pagan system. Rasta man say a Vatican system. And every day another man becomes a victim. Whoa, in a this your system. The pagan system. Life, so what? We sell love and them don't want it. We sell food and them don't want to plant it. I say Congo jump and them still no want chant it. Mother earth alas them want last it. Them see the tabernacle and the boy them walk past it. Peace arise, Rasta man are defeated. The vegetable in the earth we have to reap it. No bloody meat cause Bingy man no eat it. Enough of them a backstab in the pagan system. I tell you this, the Vatican system. Rasta man upon them evil lost system. Cause every day another burn up bubbling like catch a steam like thermosphere. Yeah.
Everybody got something to say. Teach other lips away like everything is okay. Tell you this is no time to play. Africa is calling, yeah. Who she's calling, yeah. Everybody got something to say. Teach other lips away like everything is okay. Tell you this is no time to play. Africa is calling, yeah. Who she's calling, yeah. Brother still a kill, brother like Cain and Abel. Them new world a go drop like towers a Babel. Saddam and go ma run off stoop below navel. Burn a turn it up a notch and make it blaze you. Who a thief and a rob and a rape the cradle. Sell your soul to the devil, no nothing can save you. Fire blaze you, hotter than toasting bagel. You're bright and brazen, you're unstable table. Psychologically, you've been seeing too much cable. You don't know reality from fiction fable. You disabled, you need a handicap label. Can't talk to the lion, Michael or Gable. Everybody got something to say. Teach chattering lips away like everything is okay. Tell you this is no time to play. Africa is calling, yeah. Who she's calling, yeah. Everybody got something to say. Teach chattering lips away like everything is okay. Tell you this is no time to play. Africa is calling, yeah. Who she's calling, yeah. Cause I'm here talk and no action. See they know it all dividing a fraction. Lad, to whose satisfaction? All the tricky my people have them singing the wrong song. We have to take a ride on the other side. Have to take a stroll by the river Nile. Cutting the corners and curves and giving thanks for life. Have a whole eye. Rasta moving on the hunt for the world. Meditation, Rasta smoking on the skunk for the world. Yeah, the sun is rising in the front of the world. Africa for boys and girls. Why? Everybody got something to say. Teach chattering lips away like everything is okay. Tell you this is no time to play. Africa is calling, yeah. Who she's calling, yeah. Everybody got something to say. Teach chattering lips away like everything is okay.
I rise. Nothing's gonna hold back I from rise. I rise. Them can't hold back I from rise. This a for the youths in the struggle, grinding 9 to 5 or in the streets, them a hustle. We use brains and not just muscle. Listen to mama so them stay out of trouble. Just remember say you're born a star. Loving at your heart so you must reach far. It's how you finish, is not how you start. So tell the haters them go choke off and go on rise. Say rise. Nothing's gonna hold back I from rise. So I rise. Them can't stop I from rise. Even when the going gets rough, from have you by my side, then Jah I have enough. Is you alone I trust. You know the real deal and you're never giving up on me. Cause your plan for me is to keep blessing me, born to be stress free. So Babylon won't test me, cause the powers of the universe lives within me. So I rise. Nothing's gonna hold back I from rise. Hey. So I rise. Babylon can't hold I from rise. Hey. I am the prize and you're not skylark. Drive you a drive somewhere stuck in a park. Babylon try keep we in at the dark. Pity them no know say we come for light and spark. No push over, no weak heart. No lamb to no slaughter, we I will shout. Who Jah bless me, say no man curse. Love it or else if it come first. So I rise. Nothing's gonna hold back I from rise. Hey. So we rise.
Okay, them can't calm me down, cause I know them beef. Jah in my life as the commanding chief. Them want tie me down with so belief. Just because me tell black people no fi bleach. Them can't calm me down, cause I know them beef. Jah in my life as the commanding chief. Them want tie me down with so belief. To be work for when me want and now me achieve. Hypocrite, pagan get chousy and dizzy. Jah bless me trumpet and me sound it like Dizzy number 1. On the chart none of them can't stop it. Sell so much copy, publishing can't track it. Me see the bus and pass, me step out and stop it. Me nah make it pass if I even fi up it. Now me get hot like the sun in the tropic. Me rhymes them a spit like a bullet from a Matik. Aiming for the moon like that's a sign for the rocket. Then me come fi preach like pastor in a jacket. So who a bus gun well me send them go lock it. And all who a bleach well me beg them fi stop it. Can't calm me down, cause I know them beef. Jah in my life as the commanding chief. Them want tie me down with so belief. Just because me tell black people send the bleach. Them want calm me down, but I know them beef. Jah in my life as the commanding chief. Them want tie me down with so belief. To me work for when me want and now me achieve. Them a predict the end fi bubble. I lock them rope a set end fi bubble. Pagan them a wait round the bend fi bubble. To the music need change and Shane send fi bubble. Them and them friend them a plan fi bubble. A bun red candle over a man fi bubble. But the Almighty Jah him a guide the bubble. Safe and keep and sanctify the bubble. Now the people them a cheer fi bubble. So none of them can't come near to bubble. Emmanuel him a bless the bubble. So none of them can't come test the bubble. Them can't count me down, cause I know them beef. Jah in my life as the commanding chief. Them want tie me down with so belief. Just because me tell black people no fi bleach. Them can't count me down, cause I know them beef. Jah in my life.
Prejudice and separation, the grace of Jah that brings salvation. Let the evil man forsake their evil ways. Say the sleeping giant has awakened, no more are thou forsaken. Cause the violent man won't live out after days. They've got their guns and so they're willing. Tell the gator you'd stop the killing. On the day of judgment, sure you gonna pay. Jah don't take your love away from me. You'll be the only one, the only one for me. With your love you've given victory. Trust you with my life completely. Bind and crush the devil and his adversaries. Jah don't take your life away from me. You've been the only one, always there for me. Trust you with my life completely. With your love you give me victory. Bind and crush the devil and his adversaries. Oh, you die.
No broadcast it, yeah. Broadcast it. This are no wonder in a basket. The headlines say what's next now. All eyes on Kingston town. Caribbean queens gone wild.
What has the world come to now? The man the youths asking out and call it entertainment talk. This is how they made it. And for the girls to be successful, them have to have naked.
Aye. Sometimes we can't tell the man from the woman, no. And we can't tell the boys from the girls. No one of politicians done dirty. And of them we put in for run the world, yo.
No one talk, but I know we've been talking.
The whole world I feel it.
The truth is in offense, but y'all set us free. It's time for the return of roots and culture. The return of what? The return of roots and culture. Let it arise and never fall. Time for the return of roots and culture. The return of what? The return of roots and culture. Let it arise and never fall.
Never ever.
You're a long time the one about the changes. Nothing before the time it was stated. So much things get overrated.
Now it's time for the real to replace it, yeah.
Come along, children, come along.
Yeah.
Hear the voices of the archangel, sing along. Come along, children, come along. Sing along with the world. Time for the return of roots and culture. The return of roots and culture. Let it arise and never fall. Time for the return of roots and culture. The return of roots and culture. Let it arise and never fall.
I bet them never fight against Rasta. When we tell them about the Father. No things can no harder. It's only roots and culture can restore things and yeah.
All over the world.
Yeah.
The same complaint is driving the masses insane. All over the world.
Yeah.
I hear the masses chant and say, yeah, give me roots, 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 give me roots. Time for the return of roots and culture. The return of roots and culture. Let it arise and never fall. Time for the return of roots and culture. The return of.
Okay, alright. Blessed is the man that seated in the council, not of the ungodly. Rastafari is love, Rastafari is so holy. Okay, fire burn them evilous ways and them awful thoughts. More love and more joy, Rastafari. Yo, they not good over evil, tell them are over. Let's be Selassie. Okay, fire burn them evilous ways and them awful thoughts. More love and more joy, Rastafari. Yo, they not good over evil, tell them are over. Let's be Emmanuel.
Hey, that's a fire upon folly, righteousness who don't fit take up. Listen, my people, I'm telling you the straight up. Live life, show love and be courteous. They said love one and all, don't be devious. God in three persons, he might take care of. I listen, I say, Emmanuel and Marcus. Flash a fire upon the wicked man get nervous. They got the right time to do it with them.
Fire burn them evilous ways and them awful thoughts. More love and more joy, Rastafari. No, they're not good over evil, tell them are over. It's me and Selassie. Yo, again, fire burn them evilous ways and them awful thoughts. More love and more joy, Rastafari. No, they're not good over evil, tell them are over. It's me and Selassie.
Hey, how excellent is the name throughout the earth. To live in a you and me, stop treat people like dirt. Listen the punchline and my verse. From your bad mind, grudgeful ways, you must revert fire under them blouse and skirt. Claim to them a big man, find out them a big pervert. Yo, fire burn them all the same. Whether you're real man, but shanty never change.
Them evilous ways and them awful thoughts. More love and more joy, Rastafari. Yo, they not good over evil, tell them are over. It's me and Selassie. Yo, again, fire burn them evilous ways and them awful thoughts. More love and more joy, Rastafari. Yo, they not good over evil, tell them are over. It's me and Emmanuel, the Munga them big.
Flash a fire upon folly, righteousness who don't fit take up. Listen, my people, tell you do this straight up. Live life, show love and be courteous. Blessed love one and all, don't be devious. God in three persons, so he might take care of us. I listen, I say, Emmanuel and Marcus. Flash a fire upon the wicked man get nervous. Because the right time did what?
Burn them evilous ways and them awful thoughts. More love and more joy, Rastafari. Yo, they not good over evil, tell them are over. It's me and Selassie, I the Munga.
Yes, we're going up the side. For too long we've been here in Babylon, wanna go back home, yeah, to a place called Ethiopia, heart of the motherland. First in civilization on the river Nile. 13 months of sunshine, beautiful all the time. Oh, Zion, take me home to Zion. Ethiopia, the promised land. Oh, Zion, take me home to Zion. Close my eyes, try to visualize the joy I've been missing. Shining the hills, meeting and greeting. With the elders I'll be reasoning. Learning things I never knew, telling them what I know. If you feel the way I do, let's pack up our things and go home to Zion. Take me home to Zion. Ethiopia, the promised land. Oh, Zion, take me home to Zion. So many things to change my mind. Luxury, fame, and fancy life that I won't be captured by. Gotta make it home on time. I won't worry, I won't fret. Gotta make it home before the sunset. Windy road, slippery and wet. Jah will guide my footsteps home to Zion. Take me home to Zion. Ethiopia, the promised land. Oh, Zion, take me home to Zion. Zion, take me home to Zion. Zion, Zion, take me home to Zion. For too long I've been here in Babylon. Wanna go back home, yeah, to a place called Ethiopia, heart of the motherland.